These construction inventions will blow your mind, and if you don't believe us, stay until the end. In a world where innovation becomes the driving force of progress, the rooftop of the Renovate Robotics building stands as a sanctuary of technological advancements. Amid steel and glass structures, the Luke 5U01 emerges, a machine that seems to defy the laws of physics. This engineering marvel uses infrared radiation to heat materials to a depth of 1 millimeter, reaching impressive temperatures of 180 degrees Celsius. But what really captures your attention is not just its operation. Engineers with a spark of excitement in their eyes introduce Rufus, a robot designed for the hard work of roofing. At first glance, it might seem like a simple automaton, but Rufus is much more. It can install asphalt shingles with unmatched precision, and in the near future will be capable of removing them and performing a range of additional tasks, such as installing solar panels. This tireless assistant not only works, but does so at a speed 3 times greater than that of a human, promising to radically transform the roofing industry. In the construction world, problems lurk in the shadows, waiting for the right moment to manifest. The foundation of a house, that solid structure that should support a family's dreams and memories, can suffer damage without anyone noticing. Over time, without proper intervention, those damages can trigger a series of devastating consequences. If you suddenly notice floors buckling beneath your feet and doors seeming to have a life of their own, it's time to take action. This is where Permatech Foundation Repair comes in, a team of experts dedicated to restoring the integrity of homes. With a keen eye for detail, they inspect every nook and cranny for hidden problems. Their method is an art in itself. Upon discovering any irregularity, they meticulously reinforce the foundation. Using steel supports that are driven deep into the ground, they create a robust solution for what could be a disastrous collapse. On top of these supports, they install plates that serve as a foundation for compact lifting blocks, each designed to restore stability to your home. Permatech's intervention is not just a response to a problem, it's a promise of safety and peace of mind. When it comes to beautifying a balcony or terrace, many people overlook a fundamental element, the railing. However, this not only serves to define the space, but also plays a crucial role in home safety. In this context, Aleffect Balcon stands out as the perfect ally, offering a range of railings that blend subtlety and functionality. The experts at Aleffect Balcon have taken railing installation to a new level, designing solutions that fit any architectural style. Their railings are not just aesthetically pleasing, they're designed with safety in mind. Some models, such as those with special posts, are ideal for families with children, preventing little ones from accessing potentially dangerous areas. One of the company's flagship products is the Trendline model, which redefines elegance by doing away with traditional handrails. This innovative design incorporates glass sections that allow homeowners to customize their level of transparency, choosing from a variety of colors, including the sophisticated anthracite. The popularity of Aleffect Balcon railings has grown significantly in Germany and Switzerland, becoming the preferred choice for both cozy homes and modern penthouses. In the world of DIY and construction, the right tools can make the difference between a mediocre job and a masterpiece. With this in mind, the wall plastering tool emerges as a simple yet incredibly effective solution that is changing how homeowners and industry professionals approach their projects. With an affordable price of only $22, this tool has become a must-have for those looking to achieve flawless finishes on walls and ceilings. Its ergonomic design and 33-centimeter width allow for quick and even application of mixes like cement and plaster, making the smoothing process easier than ever. But that's not all. The wall plastering tool is also ideal for cutting drywall with precision and cleaning workspaces, making it a versatile tool that adapts to various needs. When it comes to building solid and durable structures, every material matters, and formwork blocks are an option that should not be overlooked. Available on the Building Material Corporation website, these concrete blocks have been specifically designed for load-bearing walls in agricultural and industrial buildings, providing a robust foundation for any architectural project. What's truly amazing is that with a clever design that allows for both vertical and horizontal reinforcement, formwork blocks ensure stability and strength. The smallest block in the line, measuring 50 by 15 by 20 centimeters and weighing approximately 19 kilograms, is perfect for those looking to build with quality without compromising efficiency. In the construction world, ground stability is essential for ensuring the safety and durability of any structure. For those seeking a high-precision solution, Titan microfiles emerge as the ideal choice. This innovative system not only offers exceptional reinforcement, but also redefines standards in geotechnical engineering. Titan microfiles utilize an advanced rotary drilling process, combined with a washing fluid that may include a cement slurry. This method allows for the creation of an effective mechanical anchor with the soil's microstructure, ensuring that each microfile integrates perfectly into its environment. Then, a high-pressure cement slurry is injected, reaching up to 79 atmospheres, guaranteeing a robust and reliable solidification. If you like what you've seen, wait until you discover what really makes a difference in this product. One of the most notable advantages of Titan microfiles is their versatility. Since the drilling rod remains within the system, these microfiles are suitable for both new constructions and repairs of existing structures, such as tunnels, bridges, and overpasses. In the bustling world of construction and public works, noise can become a silent enemy, affecting workers' concentration and safety. This is where EcoBarrier stands as a true pioneer, offering portable acoustic solutions that make a difference. Recognized as a world leader in this field, the company has made its mark on large-scale projects, such as the 2012 Olympics, where its acoustic barriers played a crucial role. Among its standout products is the H9 barrier, an engineering marvel designed to tackle noise challenges in work environments. This barrier consists of multiple layers, including a waterproof membrane, PVC, and a specialized sound-absorbing material. Thanks to this ingenious design, the H9 can reduce the roar of a chainsaw from 107 decibels to a more manageable 83 decibels. Depending on the activity and tools used, noise levels can decrease by up to 43 decibels, equivalent to the tranquility of a quiet office. But EcoBarrier's innovation doesn't stop there. These barriers are not only effective in noise reduction, they're also fire-resistant and can withstand extreme temperatures, reaching as low as -40 degrees Celsius. In the world of construction, efficiency and simplicity are key, and Miva VarioMax stands out as an exceptional example of this philosophy. Although it may initially seem like a basic system with just 3 main elements, its clever design and functionality make it a revolutionary solution for structural support. What's really neat is the key to Miva VarioMax's success lies in its construction with ABS and its telescopic legs, providing remarkable stability. This system requires 50% fewer components compared to other options available on the market, resulting in significant savings in labor, which can be reduced by up to 40%. However, this savings does not comprise the quality of the final result. On the contrary, the simplicity of the design allows for fast and efficient installation. Miva VarioMax demonstrates that sometimes the most ingenious solutions are the simplest. Its ability to optimize processes and reduce costs makes it an ideal choice for contractors and construction companies looking to enhance productivity without sacrificing quality. In the ever-changing world of construction, finding effective and economical solutions is crucial for the success of any project. In this sense, the Gertex system emerges as a revolutionary tool, specifically designed to work with lightweight foam concrete, a versatile material that has gained popularity in building walls, partitions, and foundations. The Gertex system not only stands out for its specialization, but also for its ingenious design, which includes a built-in foam generator. Additionally, it can be equipped with a compressor and a water pressure booster, maximizing its efficiency. Thanks to this technology, Gertex effectively mixes the binding agent with fine-pour foam, producing high-quality concrete that results in optimal outcomes on site. The real magic lies in one of the most significant advantages of using the Gertex system, and that's the cost savings it can generate. By employing a protein-based foaming agent, some users have managed to reduce costs by up to 30% per square meter. This type of efficiency not only benefits the budget, but also contributes to the sustainability of projects by optimizing resource use. Something that stands out within the beautiful Paris metro is not only its impressive history, but also its monumental passenger influx. Considered the second busiest in Europe and the 10th worldwide, this transport system served nearly 1.5 billion travelers in 2019. With the recent hosting of the Olympic Games in the city, activity has reached new heights, making efficient mobility more crucial than ever. In this context, the inauguration of a new metro station before the Games marked a significant milestone in the modernization of urban transport. This station, with its innovative design covering 4 levels and 20,000 square meters, is a true testament to infrastructure advancement. Cone, a world leader in mobility solutions, played an essential role in this project, supplying 56 escalators that facilitate smooth passenger movement. And we haven't even mentioned the best part. The scale of this endeavor cannot be underestimated. It involved 350 dedicated workers, all committed to creating a space that can now handle around 250,000 people daily. Thanks to Cohn's team, the new station is not only a symbol of progress, but also a promise of accessibility and comfort for the millions who rely on the Paris Metro every day.